Good morning everyone. My name is Deepika from SNS College of Engineering, Assistant Professor IoT Department. So, the previous classes we are going through about the IoT architecture and its protocols, and this is SCADA architecture. As we know that we have elaborated session on SCDA. SCDA is nothing but the supervisory control data acquisition, and it interlinks with an software and a hardware. In this architecture, we are going to see SCDA architecture has a control center connected to the main app, whereas the client, like a laptop or a computer or anything that is connected to particular app, and from the Ethernet, that is example an Ethernet port, and it is connected, and the data are gathered and information is transferred from various pins. The PLC is nothing but a relay reader is connected to a Ethernet port, which is overall connected to the CPU. Like a relay reader is connected to an Ethernet port, which is overall connected to the CPU. So PLC on the other hand is connected to various field instruments, which can be temperature sensor or accumulators that can be analog or digital. PLC on the other hand have connected to various what are the fields instruments? Fields instruments is various type of mode buses. The buses is connected to various type of instruments. The PLC interconnected connected with various field instruments in order to give the information. SCDA architecture. The PC has SCDA software which can interact with the field instruments. PC is also connected to various other PLS units 1 and unit 2 as shown in the diagram. There is a human machine interfaces HMI which is individually connected to PLC. The HMI individually monitors and controls the PLI. The HMI individually monitors and controls the PLC. To read information from all the units, we need a SCDA system. PLC. PLC is a programmable logic unit. PLC is also known as programmable logic unit. Monitor and control the data. So, RTU, as we seen in the block diagram, I have given the diagram. PLC, RTU, remote terminal units received a data from sensor and convert the data digital and send into SCDA. Here we can see RTU, PLA, RTO, HMI. These are the abbreviations I have given here. Okay. So PLC is a programmable logical unit, monitor and control of data. So RTU is a remote terminal unit, receive data from sensor and convert this data to digital data and send SCDA system. Example of SCDA architecture is we have a control center, a communication network. So we have a communication network in that. Sorry. So in this a communication network, whatever the communication we need a communication path that is nothing but the SCDA system reads the measured flow and level data and sends the send points to PLA. So this is the data that we have in this. Okay, so communication network comprises of this one. Communication level, what and all we have is PLC2 level data, value control data, flow data, and pump control data, whereas it pumps the data. This is also field instruments. Examples of SCDA architecture as shown in the figure. The pump is controlled by, see here the pump is here, the pump is controlled by PLC1, which controls speed of the pump. A pump is there, the whole control is in PLC1. So the speed or its slow, everything is controlled by a PLC1. And there is a water level sensor that senses the level of water in a tank and gives the information to PLC2 that monitors the level of water. So the pumper is there. This is a water tanker. This is a like alarm. It sensor, like it's not like an, it is a sensor that sends if a water level is low, it gives an indication to the PLC1, and the PLC1 what it gives an information that it is not working and the water level is low, it gives an intimation. The PLC1 and PL are connected to SCDA system. So these is a bus. These both are connected to a SCDA. SCDA is nothing but a software or Software interconnected with a hardware. Okay, it uses a so these things is used as a software, and a computer it is connected to a hardware. So it intimates and gives the information to the SCADA system. Example of SCADA architecture, and one more example we have. This is in the field of architecture. We'll see the next session. Thank you.